Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anubhav and today in this video also we are going to talk about some useful English sentences. So friends, without any further ado, let's jump to the first sentence. So the first sentence of a day is कमरे में सन्नाटा है. So the English will be there is pin drop silence in the room. There is pin drop silence in the room. So the next sentence is वह श्याम से अंग्रेजी में आगे निकल गया. So the English will be he got ahead of Shyam in English. He got ahead of Shyam in English. So the next sentence is आपको थोड़ा तेज बोलना पड़ेगा. So the English will be you will have to speak little louder. You will have to speak little louder. So the next sentence is वह मेरे लिए सुनहरा मौका था अपनी होशियारी दिखाने का. So the English will be it was a golden opportunity for me to show my intelligence. It was a golden opportunity for me to show my intelligence. So the next sentence is यह अनजाने में हुआ. So the English will be it was done unknowingly. It was done unknowingly. So the next sentence is अच्छे दिन आएंगे. So the English will be better day will come. Better day will come. So the next sentence is तुम आधे घंटा लेट आए हो. So the English will be you have come late by half an hour. You have come late by half an hour. So the next sentence is बुखार अब उतर रहा है. So the English will be now fever is down. Now fever is down. So the next sentence is सत्य कड़वा है. सत्य कड़वा होता है. So the English will be truth is bitter. Truth is bitter. So the next sentence is मैं केवल खुद में विश्वास करता हूँ. So the English will be I only believe in myself. I only believe in myself. So the next sentence is क्या तुमने मेरी बुक कहीं देखी है. So the English will be have you seen my book anywhere. Have you seen my book anywhere. So the next sentence is तुम्हें तैयार होने में कितना समय लगेगा. So the English will be how long will you take time to get ready. How long will you take time to get ready. So the next sentence is आजकल बाजार मंदा है. So the English will be there is a slump in the market nowadays. There is a slump in a market nowadays. So the next sentence is कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है भगवान की कृपा से. So the English will be everything is going well by God's grace. Everything is going well by God's grace. So the next sentence is क्या तुम शादी के बाद काम करना चाहती हो. So the English will be do you want to work after marriage. Do you want to work after marriage. So the next sentence and the last sentence of a day is मैं उससे पार्टी में मिला था. So the English will be I had met him in a party. I had met him in a party. So the next sentence is दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहो. So English will be don't depend upon others. Don't depend upon others. So this was enough for this video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel if you did not. So I'll meet you in your next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Keep supporting, keep sharing, and keep liking my video if you don't. And please share this video with the friends whoever wants to learn English with these type of daily use English sentences. And if you like my way to teach, so please share your opinion in the comment section below. And for this video, bye.